Hi friends, welcome to No Way to Learn channel. In this video, we are going to see three best books to read. First book is When Breath Becomes Air, and this book is about Paul Kalanidhi. Paul Kalanidhi was an Indian American neurosurgeon and writer. His book When Breath Becomes Air is about life and illness, stage 4 lung cancer. And this book was on the New York Times non-fiction bestseller list for multiple weeks. And Paul Kalanidhi was never done smoking, but he has got lung cancer. After completing graduation from Stanford University, he want to serve as a neurosurgeon for 20 years. And after he want to become a writer, but he was diagnosed with lung cancer. And he came to know his life is going to end within 2 years. After that, even after knowing this, he has done brain surgeries. So this person is great. Everyone has to read When Breath Becomes Air book, and I personally connected to this book because I have seen a person in my life who is suffering from cancer, how body reacts after taking chemotherapies and all. So I know, so I suggest this book to read. And next book is Night. This book was written by Elie Wiesel. Elie Wiesel was winner of the 1986 Nobel Peace Prize. This book is all about his life at concentration camps, how he survived from the Holocaust. And at the time of World War II, most of the Jewish people are taken to the concentration camps by Nazis, and they were forced to work as a labor. And some of the women and children, they used to take gas chambers. Gas chambers is nothing but rooms filled with toxic gases, and they used to kill hundreds of Jews at once. And some of the women tried hiding their children with clothes, but nothing helped them. They used to die with cardiac arrest. Mostly 12,000 people every day they used to kill by using the gas chamber rooms. How Elie Wiesel has survived from the Holocaust, and he has studied in France and became humanities professor. Later he has worked as social activities and became winner of the 1986 Nobel Peace Prize. This book is all about how he has survived from the Holocaust and studied and life about Holocaust. So everyone has to read this book. Next book is Tuesday with Maury, An Old Man, Young Man, Life's Greatest Lesson. The story of this book mainly revolves around Mitch and his professor Maury. Mitch met his professor after 16 years of his graduation. When Mitch met his professor Maury, he was in bed in last stages of his life. And every Tuesday, Mitch used to meet his professor Maury, and Maury used to teach different topics like family, regrets, problems in life. So this book is very useful. Everyone has to read. And I am going to give audiobook links in the description, both English and Telugu. Telugu is just overview of that book. So just check once. Thank you, friends.